We have a sense of pride and ownership in the road network and what we do, and I know that's very, very strong in the regional areas. It's just a genuine welcome to the Main Roads family, I think. Main Roads is a statewide organisation. There's a plethora of opportunities. We need capable people that know how to maintain roads, but also know how to build roads.
I sense that there is an air of excitement about it, actually. We have a proud history in providing these services. We've got 3 employees who have been through the whole journey. They started with Main Roads, they went across to the contractor, and they've come back again. A lot of the others, they feel that they're part of the region, and this will just really impress that upon them, that they're part of the Main Roads family.
It's exciting times. I think everyone's excited, but perhaps a little bit apprehensive as well. And that's a good thing, because I think it means that people care about what we do. It's fantastic that we can welcome new people from industry into the ranks of Main Roads people, learning and developing together to get a really outstanding outcome for the road network.
It's quite surreal, to be honest. It's 24 years since Main Roads privatised, and I spent 17.5 years with Main Roads, transitioned in 2000 to Fulton Hogan, and here we are in 2024 back. We drive our own destiny.
It's a little bit bittersweet. I've developed great relationships within the team at Fulton Hogan, and what's great is that quite a few of my good friends are moving over to Main Roads. I'm excited about the opportunity to understand more of the asset management space and looking after the great asset that we have in the Great Southern region.
Coming from Fulton Hogan have been a good company all the time. Coming from Main Roads is sort of working for the public. A bit more respect and, well, it feels a bit better. Turn a page, Main Roads is opportunities, and I look forward to it.
Big change, so a lot of new challenges. Yeah, it's a pretty secure job, so I'm just looking forward to the future.
Thankfully, our team's coming along with us, so I already have those relationships with our guys. Not that the work's going to be any easier, but to be able to get the work done will be a lot easier because decisions can be made then and there.
We found out on April Fool's Day last year, so it's been a long transition, but now we're finally here. I think there's a bit of weight off of their shoulders and we can focus on making our networks a safer place for our families and friends.
For the new staff that are joining in the Great Southern and South West, welcome, and really look forward to seeing you grow through Main Roads, and good luck.